Installation guide for acid and alkali-resistant, dry-run capable self-priming pump. Open the packaging case. Remove all components from inside, including the coolant reservoir, matching foot bracket and screws for the self-priming pump, flange gaskets, certificate of conformance, warranty card, instruction manuals and related documents. Install the self-priming pump's mounting bracket onto the pump body before proceeding. Place the pump close to the liquid source. Confirm whether it will be installed above or below the liquid level. Ensure the installation surface is level and all bolts are securely tightened. Remove any port covers or protective stickers from the pump's inlet-outlet openings prior to installation. Keep the suction pipe as short as possible to minimize friction losses. Install a shutoff valve when mounting the pump below the liquid level. Install a priming line with a shutoff valve when mounting the pump above the liquid level. Distance to the pool bottom greater than 20 centimeters. Applies to both bottom and sidewall distances. Install pipe supports to prevent vibration and avoid transferring the load directly onto the pump casing. Discharge pipe design requirements. Install a shutoff valve on the discharge line. 4 systems with a total head exceeding 5 meters. Add a check valve to prevent backflow into the pump. Install discharge pipe supports to minimize vibration and avoid transferring the load directly onto the pump casing. Discharge piping should adhere to the design principle of elevation first, followed by horizontal conveyance. Minimize the installation of elbows in both inlet and outlet piping. Ensure the power cable specifications match the motor voltage rating. Install a circuit breaker or overload relay calibrated to the motor's full load current. For long-distance power supply, appropriately increase the wire gauge to minimize voltage drop. The pump casing and piping system must be grounded with static grounding resistance complying with applicable standards to prevent hazardous electrostatic buildup. For outdoor installations, protective facilities such as rainproof and UV-resistant shelters or covers can be installed to shield the equipment from weather exposure. Anti-corrosive pump, select Meibao.